Hello, it's Mr. Golias. We're taking a look at the Dreamboard, which is super fun. The bell ringer questions give you the categories to generate the ideas of what pictures you need to have in here. You're watching the video right now that gives you the directions. If you need further picture help, there's a link there. For those of you who are going to do the Elite Dreamboard, the directions are there. And then there's also a link for picture-in-picture, which hopefully you're using right now. So the requirements are simple. You need 15 pictures, one picture from each of the bell ringer categories. That each category is one of these questions. So obviously you'll have more than one picture for multiple categories there. And your picture should cover the full slide. So if we look at my Dreamboard, everything is covered up. Unless you're doing the Elite Challenge, which we'll get to later, it'll look like that. So we're starting from a blank slide. You're going to do a Google search. The one thing I wanted to call attention to is I hit Tools and then Labeled for Reuse. So everything we use, we're allowed to use. So I would simply just right-click and copy the image. Now, if you want to add these to collections, by the way, which I'm not doing right now, I'm just going to paste it on here. But if you wanted to add it to collections, just a friendly reminder, watch this video. It's an awesome video. It shows you how to do that, and it's a great way to organize pictures as well. But for right now, I'm just making it smaller, putting it up, and my picture relates to the celebration when COVID is over, and I had some fireworks. So I'm up and running, and I'm just going to fill up my whole slide the same way. That's it. It's pretty easy. And again, if you want to do the Elite Challenge, for those of you who did a Dreamboard last year, it's right here labeled Elite Dreamboard Challenge. So these are meant to be fun. I hope you have a great time making these. I can't wait to see yours. Good luck.